gusto mong maging engineer or mag-engineering, may tip ako sa'yo, huwag. Pero kung mapilit ka talaga at gusto mo talaga, then watch this video. Kung pinapanood mo to, there's a high probability na ikaw ay high school or senior high school or maybe transferee na gusto maging engineer balang araw. Bad news, mahirap ang engineering programs. Pero good news, pwede kang prepare ngayon pa lang. There's no need to wait until college para lang maghanda, di ba? So for this video, we have 7 tips na magagamit mo for preparing para sa engineering kahit na high school, senior high school ka pa. Tara, simulan natin. Tip number 1, try to master math and science. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging science wizard or math genius para makapasa sa engineering. But what you will need are the fundamentals. Especially, dapat komportable ka sa physics, algebra, and trigonometry. So kung may mga part kang hindi na-get sa mga subjects na yon, now is the time na aralin mo. Huwag mo hayang magtanong sa prof mo or teacher or search online for resources. Kasi I'll just say and put this here. Sobrang mahihirapan ka kung hindi ka marunong ng fundamentals of math and physics and science pagtungtong mo sa engineering. Number 2, ngayon pa lang learn how to study effectively. Sa engineering, hindi sapat ang magbasa lang ng libro. You have to have the proper strategies sa pag-aaral. If you haven't tried, you can do active recall or spaced repetition as your primary study techniques. And then as you go, try to discover more such as Pomodoro or Pareto principle because that will greatly help you during your college years. Tsaka parang Macdo at Jollibee, don't hesitate to mix and match your study routines and study techniques para makuha mo yung perfect blend. Question. Maraming pa talagang nababagsak sa engineering. Well, oo, kasi napakahirap ng majors. Tsaka di lang siya isa per sem. Minsan 4 or 5 yung majors mo. Minsan lahat pa nga majors eh. So nakukulangan ka ng time. The best way to save time is ngayon pa lang, kumuha ka ng study routine mo. Number 3, learn technology or maging tech savvy ka. As much as possible, matuto kang mag-light coding or basic coding sa laptop or kahit phone mo. Or if electrical or electronics naman, try to discover mga piyesa for Arduino and mga LEDs ganun and do some experiments if kaya naman. Again, di mo kailangan maging expert agad kahit sobrang basic, it's fine. It will be a great help pagdating mo ng college. Pro tip, may mga apps like Tinkercad, ProTools, mga engineering simulators na makakatulong sa'yo. This will also give you visualization, di ba? Sa future subjects and mga core workloads mo. Another tip is, laging nami-miss ng mga students or pinapabayaan nila, it's to practice problem solving daily. Hindi mawawala ang problem solving sa engineering. Kahit anong subject yan, meron niyang problem solving na mangyayari always. Kahit sa group project meron din mga problematic na group mates. Ngayon pa lang, masanay ka nang mag-isip. Try to solve puzzles if kaya mo, mga math problems, or sumali sa mga quiz bee or quiz bowl, di ba? Kahit simple lang na mga endeavors, at least na-exercise yung utak mo. And it will help you be prepared for the intensity of university years. And number 5, it's not really a study technique or study tip, but more on socialization. Try to join STEM or science math clubs. Kahit robotics, join mo na. Kasi dun mo mararanasan ang value ng teamwork, makakahalubilo ka with fellow STEM enthusiasts, at sakaling ma-fail ka, may mga taong mag-a-uplift sa'yo. Importante yan for College of Engineering, guys. No man is an island pag pumapasok ka sa ganyang program. Or kung kaya nila, well, wag mong gayahin. It's better to have someone to lean on. Number 6, another socialization tip. It's makihalubilo sa kapwa STEM students. May maraming mga Facebook groups na sobrang dami rin STEM students and ngayon pa lang, try to add them. Ask ka kung ano mga interest nila, gawa kayo ng mga hobbies, ganun. Para di ba may mga taong with similar passion ka. Or better yet, yung classmate mo na alam mag-engineering rin, sa ngayon pa lang, i-visualize nyo na kung ano maging college life nyo and mag-advanced study together. Mag-coffee shop kayo or work cafe, di ba? Tsaka this way, dun kasi sa mga Facebook group, dun maraming mga scholarships, mga Discord servers for study hubs, ganun. And even mga pa-contest. So, join. Why not, di ba? And lastly, ngayon pa lang, alamin mo na anong iba't ibang uri ng engineering. Kasi baka sa ngayon gusto mo maging civil. Pero mas malapit pala sa heart mo in the future yung electrical, electronics. So, itimbangin mo na ngayon pa lang ang mga strengths mo, ano yung passion mo, ano yung masaya kang gawin. Sobrang daming types of engineering sa Philippines. Merong ECE, electrical, mechanical, civil, robotics, agriculture, industrial, may mga computer, may mga di pa nga ako na-mention, petroleum. So yun, dami kang choices. Siyempre, consider mo rin yung proximity sa place mo, kung makakaya ba ng funding, or kung may scholarship ka bang gustong habulin, or kung mag-engineering rin ba yung crush mo. Joke lang, wag mong gagawin yun. So research na ngayon pa lang. So yun lang, 7 tips para maging prepared for engineering as a high school or senior high school student. Napakadali, di ba? Very quick lang. Again, di mo kailangan maging sobrang talino to enter engineering. You just have to have the proper motivation and study routines to survive. And as always, daig ng masikap ang matalino. Tama ba yung quote ko? So kung gusto mo maging engineer, licensed, balang araw, or even top-notcher, ngayon pa lang, magsimula ka na. And kung nakatulong tong video na to, don't forget to like, share, and react sa mga classmate mo at mag-subscribe na for my channel for more tips. Yun lang po, bye-bye!